Are you losing mail? Are you losing paper? Do you have stacks of paper all over your house? Is your paper clutter getting out of control? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you the Sunday basket system that may just make things a whole lot easier for you. Hello friends, today I'm going to be sharing with you the Sunday basket system. It's a great way to store all the mail that comes into your house, papers. It's great to help you organize your thoughts, your to-do list. It definitely helps if you have ADHD like I do. First off, this system was created by Lisa Woodruff from Organize 365. All her information is down below. I have learned so much from her on organizing. This is her box, and this is the Sunday basket. You don't need to purchase one, but I'll have all the information down below. We all have hot spots in our house where paper accumulates. You've got your mail, your flyers, kids' school papers, taxes, your calendar stuff, your to-do list. There's so much. And I get asked a ton about paper organization. Paper, I swear, accumulates so fast. My friend Kat from Fly Lady Kat says to go through, I believe, a half an inch of paper, like your paper piles, a day to help bring it down and get rid of it. How much time would you estimate you spend per week, if any, looking for papers? Right? We all want to be more organized when it comes to our paper. She found a statistic that said 43% of Americans categorize themselves as disorganized, and 80% of the clutter in homes is a result of disorganization, not lack of space. She says the average American spends a total of 55 minutes per day looking for things. What? For me, I could totally believe that. One place to always start when you want to like organize your life, organize your home, is start with your paper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go look around your home and gather all the loose paper, all of it, and get it in a pile or a box or a Rubbermaid bin. So you could go through and have a pile for shredding, just throw away in general, and the other one put in your Sunday basket system to work on, like your bills, anything that needs action that you didn't notice, things that you could put into your everyday planning, like your weekly planning. One of the main points of the Sunday basket system is that all your papers have a main source to go to, a main place. This is where everything goes. So you want to find a spot in your home where you want your Sunday basket. My Sunday basket is in our laundry room, just right off the kitchen here on the counter. So that way when it gets crazy and overflows, it's not in the general area of the home. It's in my laundry room. Pick a spot in your house, could be anywhere, on your desk, on the counter, on your kitchen counter, wherever you want it. Then you're going to pick one day a week where you're gonna sit and actually go through the stuff, and then add things to these files to take action during the week. Another thing besides your paper, it is a spot where you can put all your ideas and to-dos in. So this is going to help deal with your to-do list, your active paper, and your archive paper. What I have done is I put mail in here, bills, there's some of the kids' school paper which needs to be in their homework files, so I have things like that. Yeah, so I've got a lot of just kind of random like newspaper stuff that came in with the mail. I have bills, things that need attention. I'm noticing some coupons. There's a lot going on in here, okay? What is neat about this Sunday basket is it has slash pockets on each side to help organize things. And then in here, I keep these note cards. This is what I love about this system because it helps with ADHD. My husband Derek comes in and says, I really need a dentist appointment. Can you schedule that for me? I write it on the card, schedule Derek's dentist appointment. Throw it in the basket. I really love that dish my friend made the last time I was with her. I really want to get that recipe from her. Right? Get recipe from friend, throw it in the box. Oh, I get to schedule Boston's ortho appointment in the box. I really want to read that book, but I don't have time right now. I want to look it up, write the name of the book in the card, throw it in the basket. My daughter recently got married. Any ideas that came up for the wedding, wrote it in the card, threw it in the box. Need to register the kids for sports, write it in the card, put it in the box. Any idea that you get, any appointment that comes up, anything that comes through your mind, you're gonna write it on a card and you're going to throw it into your Sunday basket. And for me and my brain, this is literally me all the time. when you order her system, you're going to get her slash pockets. These folders have a pocket on each side. Isn't that awesome? And then you tag for, a tag here. Decided what am I gonna put on these. So she has a few suggestions for you. Like one is this week. This is all my actionable things that I need to get done this week. Let's say the next day, Monday, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna tackle what's in my this week folder. That way, Monday, banks are open, stores are open, doctor's appointments are open. I can look and see what's actionable for this week. So on Sunday, when you took all your thoughts as well, your doctor's appointments and things like that, you slip them into your this week folder. You could sit down and go, oh, I need to get a schedule Boston's ortho appointment. I need to schedule Derek's dentist appointment. I could do that and get all my actionable things done that day. Then you can have a section for bills or budget. So all of the bills that were in here, I moved into that slash pocket. So when I need to go budget or do my bills, all I have to do is pull, like this one says money and mail. I could just pull this slash pocket out. I got all my bills in it. I could sit down and take action on my bills, either in the list this week one action or this one. So errands, you'll go in, you'll pull out your cards and be like, oh, I need to go to do Costco. Oh, I need to go drop off the stuff to DI, which is like a Goodwill. Okay, I need to go drop that off. And then I can plan it and put it in my planner that I look at every morning and know what's going on. Green is all money and work related. And blue is everything for the family. Purple is anything for the home. Pink is anything for me. Things I want to work on, projects, like dreams I have, anything. This has a file for everything for my brain. So I have a file for pets. Anything that deals with sweet little page here, reminders and things goes in there. I have taxes. Anytime my taxes come in, things for my taxes, I slip in there. I have stuff for medical in here. I have a slash pocket for recipes. Do I still have it? Yeah, right here. Any ideas, things for the wedding, I slid into here for the wedding. I have a Bear Lake folder. Every summer, except for the past 2 summers, we've gone to Bear Lake. Any ideas, things to the trips, things to look up, places that we want to go in here, because I lose thought so often and I scroll so often that I'm not going to remember what it is that I wanted. I'm like, if I sit down and start planning our trip to Bear Lake, I'll be like, I had a really cool idea. There was something that we wanted to do, but I can't remember what it was. I just pull this out and it's all there. You can get the family involved in this basket. You can have your children, your husband, whoever, if they need a new pair of shoes, if they need anything, you could have your family write whatever they need or want to do on one of these cards and throw it into the basket. Do you need to purchase this? No, you don't. I got this bin from Target. So this file holder box thing is really great because it's got these things here. You can get files like this, file holders like this, that you can just slip right down on. Okay, so then you can label these. These could be your slash pockets. Okay, and then you have all this space down here for your mail, your newspaper stuff, your index cards, things like that in there. And you can keep your index cards in there in like a container of some sort. Have a pocket for your pens and things like that. So you can use this system here. Another thing you can do is this accordion folder. You can get this at anywhere really. If you want to do a system with the slash pockets, you could do it with this. So you can label these according to the labels on here, and then you can use this with your note cards. You can keep down in this section your note cards, and any idea that comes, you could do it this way as well. There's different sizes of these that I've seen at a lot of stores, so you can also do it this way. Now, I have seen other people's videos on their Sunday basket. Everyone has and takes the approach so differently, and it's so cool to see how other people do it. I have seen where women have used their Sunday basket for their journals and their journaling and things like that. I think that's great. I keep it totally separate. This is more for me, my to-do list, the ideas that come to my head, appointments. Like this is like a subsection for my planner. When you go to do this, you can have your planner next to you so you can write in your planner as you call the dentist's office and things like that. This works really, really good for my ADHD brain, you guys. I've cut down on paper. Everything has a home. I don't have hot spots of paper anymore, and that is a huge blessing. I'm gonna leave down below Lisa's video. She does have a YouTube channel. She goes through this basket step by step, ideas on how you could use it and how you can organize your life. If you do this, what do you do? What are your tips and tricks? Please leave down below. What have you noticed over the time you've done it that has helped you with your paper clutter? I hope that today you can tackle your paper clutter. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.